So here we go. Let's put it straight into GPS mode and see what we have. There's GPS. Still searching. Back to Atty. Now, I'm talking to you now. This tail, when I blip it,
see how much here it is.
See where it just stays.
Yes, the other one bounces.
The other one bounces. Now I must get that sorted.
Okay.
I'm not going to worry about the wind. The wind is the wind. Let's check the agility. See the difference there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just much more aggressive. It's like this is in sports mode and the other one is in...
And this is also 4S?
This is also 4S, yes. Okay, let's fly it a little bit, because I won't do a touch and go. It's just a bit windy. I'm still flying it very gingerly. I mean, I'm not by any means doing anything extraordinary. But the tail does look very dialed in,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see any...
In comparison to the red one.
No, I'm saying the actual fin itself, you know?
Yes, no, I haven't seen it have any vibration yet.
And also there's no vibration on the landing gear, which is a telltale sign of impending doom. In fact, I'm going to hover it here in GPS mode and get really close so I can analyze it. About there. I don't see anything. See, the GPS also holds better, eh?
Yeah.
Back to Atty. Oh, look at the hands free, eh? Now, once this thing is cranking, you can really actually crank it. Because now I'm just flying a bit girlish. Just getting myself still organized here. But it is smooth. Hey, what do you think? I mean, it's very smooth, you know, it's not...
Oh, it's you can see this is dialed in.
Yes, yes. It's definitely dialed in. I love the orange blade tips. That was a nice little feature.
that's against the wind.
No, no, that was not full speed yet at all. But I'm still just taking it easy. You know, if after 10 batteries it's still flying, then I'd have to concede that it's happening, you know.
No, it's stable.
Into GPS quickly. 5 minutes. Should get 8 to 9 minutes on this little 2200, which is actually pretty good. So the L7 needs some tuning, if I wanted.
Compared to this.
If I wanted like this, yes. Fuck, it looks nice, eh?
The paintwork is
Yeah,
brilliant.
yes. Looks very cool. Oh, almost did a touch and go there. Close. I think, dude, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Oh, what I wanted to see is if I'm going full speed, will it wallow or will that tail actually push that nose down the way it's supposed to at this scale? So let's give that a go, although it's very windy. So let's take that into account. So I'll go into the wind. And let's have a look at that tail. Right, well there we go, guys. You can definitely hear that beeper, you know?
Yeah, yes, I'm impressed by that.